Right guys, today I'm going to show you how to take apart your Toshiba L300 laptop. This is what the laptop looks like, if anybody wants to recognise the laptop. Right, first thing you need to do is you need to take the battery out of it. And then turn it over and discharge it 3 times. Close the lid, turn it over, and all these screws, take them all out. I've already done it because it's quicker. Right, first what you do, you open up the laptop and you get a small flathead screwdriver and place it at the delete key and pop up that piece of plastic right there. Take that plastic off and put it to one side. Then we're taking a larger star screwdriver. There's 2 small screws here and here. What you need to do is you need to take them out. Put them to one side with the rest of your screws, but don't mix them up, keep them in separate piles. After that, there's a little catch here which you need to push up, and then the keyboard will come off. But don't completely take off the whole keyboard, as I did when I first took it off, because it breaks it, that comes off, and then your keyboard won't work. So don't ride it off at first, just open it slowly, and then you should be able to slowly remove that from the motherboard. Place that to one side, and then after this you need to take the same screwdriver, and there's a screw there, a screw there, screw there, screw there, and a screw there, and take them out. Place them in a different pile to the rest of the screws. After you've done this, you need to, I've already done it, remove that there, which is the audio connector, and that there, which is your touchpad, out of its slot. After you've done that, the top, get your flathead screwdriver and round the edge in here, or just get a finger or your screwdriver underneath that there, and it should just come away all the way. Pulling it a bit, because there's nothing important connected from this to the motherboard. Right, that now is your top. This here is basically the whole thing taken apart from the screen. Right, basically here you've got your disk drive, you have your central processing unit, you have audio connectors galore, you have your that's where the keyboard's meant to connect to, but I ripped mine off. Here you've got a wireless card, where you can put your wireless card into, and at the front you've just got like your internet and your sound changes. And I've not managed to figure out what this is here yet. I think that's your hard drive underneath your hard drive there, and that's basically it. Watch in for the second part, and the second part will be how to put it back together again.